This is probably one of the most difficult stains that I've had to remove in a long time. It took a lot of labor, very labor intensive. And this is a filtration line. These filtration lines are throughout this room alongside the baseboards. And I don't make guarantees removing those completely. Sometimes you can't remove them, sometimes they're permanent. And it's also slightly wear, I believe, from the tack strip and the closet door. But I didn't think I was going to be able to get this out. I had to do a lot of work to get it out, try different solutions and products, and we use this innovative approach to really make a big difference on the appearance of this, because this was a big concern to the client, and I did tell them that I'd make no guarantees on this type of thing, because you can't fix damage. You can't clean damage. You can fix it, but you can't clean it. Wear and filtration lines, some stains, they're just not going to come out no matter what method you use. But we did throw everything in the kitchen sink. At this particular job, we used some innovative approaches to this job. We're using this. This is basically a SETT agitation tool, and this, I believe it has over 2200 RPM, so it's going pretty fast. We're giving it a good agitation, agitating in our solutions, our chemicals into the carpet fibers and letting them work. So that's what we're doing. Mind you, I'm only using one hand when I'm operating. It's a very long device, and I'm holding a camera and I'm operating with one hand. So off camera, I have to go back over it, but you get the idea. And this is actually 4 rooms we're doing, but we're doing this particular area first, and that's what's going to make the camera. We're using the SETT 2000 machines. It oscillates at 2000 RPMs. And we're using the 1 inch thick, actually it's a 2 inch thick Iron Man pad. It's made of cotton, very absorbent, pretty aggressive. We're going to need it for this job. That's going to absorb and extract the water soluble soil that's in the carpet. We already did a pre-DISE, dry and soluble soil extraction, and we're going to finish off this job with a post-DISE, with actually a groom and then a post-DISE. The grooming and the post-DISE process doesn't make the video, but this is all very innovative techniques. I was the first to bring it to Tallahassee. This is called the SETT method, soil extraction transfer technology, a ULM, ultra-low moisture approach to carpet cleaning. Carpets will dry in about an hour, and that's great because this carpet's a white carpet. If you try to clean it with a high pH product with a lot of water, you could probably brown out the carpet over time, if not brown it out after cleaning. And maybe some stains that weren't there before would probably reappear. And this carpet here, it's going to look great. It's going to be dry soon. We're not going to have any browning out issues. Neutral product, non-toxic product. And all in all, it's a huge win for the customer. As you can see here, it looks great. We really knocked it out of the park on this one. It simply looks amazing. And again, you can't guarantee 100% on these type of jobs. You can't guarantee that you can completely remove stains. You definitely can't fix wear with cleaning alone. But we managed to do a really good job. We were very methodic in this process.